Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to solve equation like this, the 2-degree equation in 991 MS calculator. So first of all, whenever you find this type of question and you have to find the value of the x, you have to know that this is 1 into x, 2 into x, 4. This is A, this is B, and this constant is C. So now we have to use this 1 to 4 so that we can get our value of the x. Press the mode, press it second time, press it third time, 3 time mode. Number 1 equation. Unknowns we don't have unknowns, we need degree. There is 2 degree. Degree is 2. What is the value of A? A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. And C is equal to 4. We got our x1 is equal to -1 and x2 is equal to -2. x1 is equal to -1, x2 is equal to -2. So we got our value of x is equal to -1. See, let's do it again. Mode, 3 times mode, 1 equation, again mode, and degree 2, then you put the value of ABC 1, 2, 4. You will get the answer. Thank you for watching.